Alright guys, hope all is well. I'm just gonna do a video about the FOMC. I had made a couple videos this week, but I literally completely forgot they're on my YouTube. I'll post a link in there. Um, so those videos were basically just me talking about like the week and kind of like what I was looking at and stuff. So the first one that I was looking at was Euro Pound, and FOMC was really, really good. So price came up, and you can see we had a clear breaker structure. This is our low, this is our high. Price then came up. We started liquidating each high, and then when we kind of got up to this point, well, to be fair, when we actually broke this structure here, I was like, okay, cool. We had a nice fair value gap that I was looking to trade off within here. Price then we push back down lower, and then we then created a inverted fair value gap, which was in here. Pricing broke down. We came up, we tested, we literally did almost take me out. I did have my stop loss slightly a little bit higher, but then I was moving it down. So originally my stop was just about here. That's TP hit. That's nice. So we came into this 15-minute zone. We then broke, meaning that there was going to be something within this high that we could be looking to trade from. But as we all know, that fair value gaps can be tested more than once. So you can see price come up, we broke down, we then trickled, generating liquidity, not really that much happening. FOMC, we came up and then we died. So I am looking for longs, but I don't know where yet. But this was a really, really nice setup. And I'm gonna journal this one because this is really nice. Second pair, UK oil. I got taken out of this when price was here. So literally just got taken out of this. I was looking for bullish continuations up into this high. We had a break structure just looking for this zone to get tested. We did actually start rising, but price actually come back down. So I'm just going to see and wait for that. Ethereum was looking for shorts, really, really clean. So I've been waiting for ages. Had a long going in from this week. Price then broke this structure, and we also broke this fair value gap within here. If we then tag that along, you can see, where are we? What time frame is it on? On the hourly, we had this fair value gap within here. See, price came up. We literally tested that, and then we died, and I'm expecting price to come back down further. So let's see what happens with this one, but really waiting just to play out on that. Gold, I actually did put this in the video, and this was the setup that I did actually call out. So if you guys want to go check that out, it's on my YouTube. We were just moving sluggish on gold, and daily I was waiting for this fair value gap to be filled, which you can see we had today. Really, really nice. I was waiting for a little bit higher targets to form, but nothing happened. We then had our low, lower high, lower low, coming up and creating our lower high, dropping it into the 30-minute. You can see we had a really, really clean inverted fair value gap within here. Price that she came up, tested 50% of this zone, half one new Asia. We then tested, we came down slightly, and then we pretty much just rolled over, and then FOMC really just kind of caused us to die out today. So really, really nice trade. Bitcoin is dying, which is fantastic. Looking for, well, price was above the 100K, and we had been creating a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So now I was just expecting price to actually come back down slightly a bit more into the 50%. That means we can see that 100K get met one more time. What we did have today is, I'll be posting my proof of entry on these as well, guys. We then rated high. Price then started to break down lower. We had this move. I did actually catch sells from this last night because I was anticipating that price was rolling off here, stops just above this high, and I had my take profit just here. So nice 1 to 2. After price came undone that, we then had this fair value gap. So again, I was just waiting for price to see if we could come in anywhere off that and then start rolling. And you can see price came up. We did trickle around this zone and then we actually kind of just died from here. We can do that. So really, really, really clean trade. I'm gonna get on that one. So yeah, if you guys have got any questions, please let me know. Feel free to fire away and I will help everyone as much as I can. All right, guys.